my first Christmas present of 2020. Happy Friday, you guys. So I am decorating for Christmas today, and I figured I might as well take my Lily Pulitzer bedding off and change it into my white one just because it matches my Christmas decor better. So I'm going to change my bedding and then make my bed, and I just thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me for a day in my life vlog. I have some serious bedhead going on today. There's just something about all white bedding that I absolutely love. All my bedding is from Target, in case you guys are curious, but I'm indecisive if I should put my regular throw pillows back since I don't know if they match well with my Christmas ones, but the bed is made. Alright guys, I just changed and put a bunch of jewelry on, and I also put my hair in this bun because I'm going to do my makeup. I got my little beauty blender wet, and I'm just going to listen to some 5 Seconds of Summer. I am seriously like obsessed with their newest album, Calm. So I'm just going to put my makeup on real quick, and then I want to show you guys what I picked up for new decor for this year. Alright guys, I'm gonna tackle my hair and then I'll show you guys my outfit. So I just finished curling my hair, and then I also filmed today's video, which was an OOTW. I'm going to get that edited next, but it is so drab and dark outside, so I just closed my curtains. I was like, I'd rather have it all lit up and everything. So I have on this super cute striped top from Romwe. Love the simplicity of it. I added on my monogram necklace that I got from Etsy. It's a 1.75 inch charm and then on an 18 length chain. I have on my little heart necklace, and then I have on some arm candy, which is just my Daniel Wellington watch with my bracelet John got me. I just have on some high-rise super skinny jeans from Abercrombie & Finch. They're ripped up with my VJs, but this is the fit. I'm going to edit that video, and then I need to pull out my Christmas decor because we are decorating for Christmas today. I am seriously so excited, you guys. Like, I feel like I've talked about this in every video. Like, I'm just in the holiday spirit already, which is so weird because it's the middle of November. Usually I don't start decorating until the day after Thanksgiving, but this year has been so weird that I'm like, I'm just gonna decorate early. I would love to know in the comments down below when you decorate, when your family decorates. Like, I would just love to know. I feel like some people like decorate really early or they wait till after Thanksgiving, but I feel like since it's like so weird, like there's not going to be like the traditional Thanksgiving, that I'm like, why not decorate early? But I need to get editing, so I'm gonna head over to my desk, which is a hot mess. So I might have to straighten that up before, but I need to get today's video up, and then I'm gonna go pull out all my holiday stuff from the basement and carry it up. And then I also want to do a mini haul because I've been shopping for new decor and I found some really cheap stuff that's so cute. So if you guys are like college students and living in a dorm or just want to decorate your apartment or your bedroom, I think this might be perfect for you. Alright guys, I just finished uploading it. I want to share with you guys the thumbnail. So it is just an outfits of the week video. The outfits were seriously so cute that I wore this week. So there's today. Yesterday I wore a really cute skirt, which if you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have seen it. I was freaking out because my sweatshirt in that outfit is from United Monograms, which I've always been a huge fan of. I recently did a huge collab with them on YouTube, which I'll insert the card in case you guys want to check it out. But they like reposted me on their story and I was like, oh my goodness. But since that is done, I did a few emails as well. I'm going to go get the stuff out of my basement, but I also want to do a haul. I got something in the mail as well. My mom texted me. She's like, Kelly, there's a package here. So we're going to open that and then we're going to start decorating. So I got everything that I picked up, but I also got the cutest little package. So we're going to do a little unboxing. I'm seriously so excited about it. So this is from Preppy May Boutique. I will have it linked down below. She reached out to me on Instagram and I was like, oh my goodness, I would love to share some of your products. She just started her boutique recently and she just has the cutest stuff. So really cute envelope. I love it. And then she included this little note in here, and I do have a 25% off code in case you guys want to check out her shop. I am so into shopping small businesses this winter. I feel like with the whole pandemic and everything, it's so nice to give back because it's so exciting for them. So I will include the discount down below, but it's called Preppy Pink 25. You can get 25% off, but this is so cute. So she says, dear Kelly, thank you so much for supporting my small business. I am so thrilled I was able to create and design a piece for you. I hope it brings you as much joy as I had creating it. If you have any issues or concerns about the product, please feel free to contact me and I will be more than happy to help. Because of the piece you chose, I selected a free gift to match with it. I know the holidays are coming soon. However, I believe in giving gifts no matter the occasion or time of year. I hope you enjoy. XOXO Jordan, Preppy May Boutique. So cute and so sweet. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, my first Christmas present of 2020. Wow, this is so cute. Okay, so we have this really pretty rose quartz bracelet. I am so excited about this. Her packaging is so cute. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed, girlfriend. You are killing it. And then also a necklace. So it's kind of like a matching necklace duo. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be rocking this. I love it. I love wearing gems and everything. Oh my gosh. Handmade scrunchie. And it says, kiss this with little lipstick kisses on it. This is going to be perfect for the 45 days of pink come Valentine's Day and everything. Oh my gosh. And then the last thing in here is this little necklace that has a jar of the gems. Oh my gosh, you are seriously so sweet. Oh my gosh, there's more. And we got a crystal. I've always wanted these. Like, I just love holding them. I feel like they bring you so much energy and everything. So I'm pretty sure this is the rose quartz one. So, oh my gosh, you just made my day. Thank you so much, girl. Okay, definitely check out her Instagram and her website. It's linked down below. You guys definitely got to check her out. I am obsessed. This scrunchie is going to be on repeat for me. But like I mentioned earlier, I have been picking up some holiday decor, and I went to the dollar store, I think it's called Dollar Tree, the other day to pick up a birthday card. And I always go there to get my cards because they're 2 for $1, which is such a steal. But they had some really cute Christmas stuff, and your girl left with a bag of stuff. But I only spent $15. But I will say I already have a lot of Christmas stuff just because I've been decorating my room for the holidays since I started YouTube. But I picked up some really cute stuff. Everything's $1, so I definitely recommend checking it out. And seriously, perfect for the holiday, and especially if you're balling on a budget like I am. So the first thing I got are these 2 reindeers. So they're just kind of like wall decor type thing. Here it says house decor right here, but they're like gold and sparkly, and I want to put them up on my cork board and kind of like have 2 of them little galloping. I thought it'd be cute. Thought that would be cute. And then I also picked up some of this tinsel garland. I bought a ton of this at Hobby Lobby like 2 or 3 years ago, and I remember paying $15 for like one strand of it, $1, and I'm pretty sure this is the exact same one because it has the little snowflakes in it, which I am obsessed. It's like white and silver, which matches all my room decor. I bought 2 of them. And then, since I have a Christmas tree in my room, I thought it'd be fun to put these little present boxes underneath them, and then probably closer towards Christmas I can put little presents in them. But they're only $1. Super cute. So I got this gold one, and it has a gold ribbon on it. I just felt like these would look so cute in my room. I got a red one. I wanted to kind of do like a pink Christmas, but I couldn't find any pink stuff, and I don't have any pink stuff, so I was like, I'm just gonna keep it red, gold, and silver. So this just has a little red bow. And then I also got a silver one, which this is the first one that I found, and I thought it was really cute. But they're really like a nice size box too for wrapping presents. This one kind of cracks me up, but I got this little snowman guy, and it lights up. You can put like a little battery in it and it'll glow, but I probably won't do that just because I think it's so cute on its own. I also picked up a mini pack of ornaments because my tree's mini. I need like mini ornaments. I had some that I bought from Target a few years ago, but I think they got mixed in with my parents' ornaments, so I just bought a new pack. And the last 2 things I bought are these little white Christmas trees, and it's kind of like the snowman. You can put a battery in here and light it up, but I thought this would be really cute if you take this off like that and then just kind of have them right there. I feel like that's so cute. Like, totally not what it is, but I like it, and it will match everything in my holiday collection. So since I brought it all up, I'll show you guys what I have, and then I'm gonna start decorating. I just brought everything up from my basement. I have this huge box of stuff. Got my little Christmas tree right here, but hold on, aren't these just so pretty? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. But we got my Christmas tree. I need to go through this box, but I have a ton of Christmas clothes. I have little decor decorations. I have my Christmas pillows, throw blanket that I picked up at Target a few years ago, some Christmas socks, a little pink Christmas tree, and all the new goodies that I just picked up. So I'm so excited to start decorating. I just finished decorating, and I'm seriously obsessed with how everything turned out. It's seriously so cute, and it just makes me so happy. I'm going to be filming a holiday room tour during Vlogmas, so to get all the deets you're gonna have to wait a little bit, so I apologize for that. But I just really wanted to decorate my room and get it all like festive for the holidays, so that'll be up in December, which I'm seriously so excited about, you guys. If you guys are excited about Vlogmas, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and you should definitely subscribe so you can get notified when that starts, which is December 1st. But I do have a lot of holiday content starting soon, which I'm seriously so excited about. So if you guys are too, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. But I am probably gonna change. I'm a little toasty from decorating and just like lugging all the stuff upstairs and everything. And John, my boyfriend, is on the way over. I'm gonna show him my room, but then we're going out to dinner. I can't believe it's already like dinner time. It's so crazy to me, but I think I'm gonna change into something else. Really like this fit. I'm just toasty and I feel like I've been wearing it all day, so I'm like, I'm gonna get dressed up. But room tour's coming soon, but but I want to show you guys my favorite thing in my room. This is my cork board slash mood board. I love it. It's right on top of my desk. But these little reindeer guys were only $1 and I'm obsessed. It's so subtle, it's so me, but it's so cute and kind of makes my girly vision boards very holiday. Then I got this little banner guy at Target, but I'm sharing the deets where everything is from when I do the updated room tour. Plus my room's changed a lot since my last room tour, so you guys will see that soon, which I'm really excited about, but it's so festive. But I'm gonna change and freshen up a little bit and get ready to go out. It's like pitch black outside now because daylight savings and it gets dark so early, but I've seriously had a great day and it's been so much fun decorating and just chit-chatting with you guys. I hope you guys are having a great day as well, and I'll update you guys once I change into my next outfit.
Hi.
I just showed John my Christmas decor.
Yes.
How do you like it?
It looks good. We did well.
What's your favorite thing?
The Christmas.
The Christmas tree.
You put little presents under it.
It looks
so cute.
Thanks for checking it out.
I got you. 10 out of 10.
So I finished getting dressed. I'm going to show you guys my updated outfit because it's brand new. And then we are headed to get pizza for dinner.
Yes.
I changed my scrunchie into this little one that's on my Etsy. It's so cute. It's like a pink and red silk. And then both these pieces are from Shein. They're going to be in my Cyber Monday haul, and it's just like a light tan turtleneck with these little overall dress type thing, and then I still kept my VJs on. Super cute. We're gonna go to dinner, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel and want to get notified the next time I upload, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys.